I said you can have as many planes as you want, but you have to.
Hey, good morning. Happy New Year. We're at the hangar this morning. We're gonna continue with our projects, but first I want to give you guys an update on where we're at with everything. We've got a lot of moving parts here, a lot of stuff going on. So first, this was the first project we took in. This is the 59 Comanche 180. And Oscar and I right now, we're working on the wing. We flew this in here, and when we got it in here, we realized it was full of Bondo. It had previous damage from a gear up. So right now we're going through the wing. We've got all the parts to do it. Running new wiring for the nav lights, and then we're gonna start rebuilding the wing ribs, the stringers, and put the skin back on. We have everything to finish the tail. We've got the Aussie horn back there. We just need to primer and paint that. And then the tail will go back on. From there, we'll start primer and paint, and then we'll be on our way with this one. This one, we're hoping to get done here in the next few months, beginning of the summer prior to Oshkosh, and then either fly it up there or hopefully find a new home for it. Other stuff going on in the hangar, the Comanche 250 is flying. It's all good to go. It's ugly, kind of bathtub blue, but other than that, we've been flying it. Everything's good with that. We'll be putting a new fuel bladder in this one here sometime soon. Stay tuned on that project. You guys have seen, we've been working on this 140. Oscar put the new gearbox in it. It's on gear now. We're going to be doing a lot more on this one. We've got an engine, and we'll be working on that. But right now, we're going to be doing some other stuff. So this is in the bullpen with the 175. As you can see, the SAD 175 that we picked up from Deer Valley, that's kind of just sitting in the corner of the hangar. That's going to be a real big project. We've got an STC we need for a new engine, and we've got an STC to convert it to a tail wheel. A lot of money that's going to go into this one, so we want to get some other projects done and out of the hangar before we commit to tearing this thing apart. That'll be a big one. Stay tuned for more on that. Today, the project of the day, we're going to work on this C-90. So we've got this for the 140. Oscar's going to have me tearing this thing down. We're going to take all the accessories off of it. We're going to inspect the camshaft for any pitting, anything that looks troublesome there, and then basically pull everything off and then rebuild with anything, rubber, new hoses, inspect everything, paint, and then this thing will be ready to go to put back on the 140. So stay tuned, and we'll be putting out a video shortly for the C-90. Thanks.
All right, yeah, hi guys, morning. Welcome back. Today we're gonna do a little change of scenery. We're gonna stay away from I'm gonna work on a little project while Cash here, or Shane, is gonna pretty much just tears this little, this is a little C-90 that we picked up for the 140. So today we're just gonna pretty much just tear it apart, get all the baffles, mags, sumps, exhaust, carburetor, pretty much tear it apart just to do an inspection internally, just to make sure there's no corrosion internally, and no pits on the cam, and nothing's out of place, and replace what we need to replace. So Shane, today, he's gonna tear it apart and start inspecting it. And then if we have everything, we'll start putting them back together. We should have all the gaskets, but if we need some kind of lifters or components that don't pass inspection, then we'll replace them. But today, that's gonna be for Shane. Rip it apart, inspect it, clean it. We'll paint it back up, reseal what needs to be resealed. And then for me, I'm gonna work on the 140. We're just gonna tear apart the interior, get it cleaned up, start doing the inspection for the annual. And the interior, since the interior is pretty in bad shape, we're gonna send it out to get reupholstered. And then we'll go from there. Hopefully the engine's good. We have a new prop for it once we finish that up. And we'll keep you up to date. We'll keep you a nice little videos going of the progress. Thank you guys.
So what are you looking for on that?
Just heavy wear, like on the lobes there, where it rides on the actual lifter.
Yeah.
That's all we're looking for there, like just rust spots, kind of like what we found on the gear.
Pittings.
Yeah, how just the holes. There's a little bit where it doesn't really ride on anything, which is totally fine. But we're actually, the actual cam loads are very clean.